Good morning, my YouTube friends and pigeon family. We are back here at Blessings Loft. Another race day. The sky's just now starting to open up. It's been like that all morning. Even denser than that. We had some really dense fog early this morning till about 9:30. 10 o'clock. I've been doing my same routine as usual. Cleaning up. Getting everything clean. Ready, waiting on birds. Waiting on birds. We're race active. It is 11:20. The mileage today is 250 miles. 250 miles today, y'all. This is what the birds are looking like. This is what stayed behind. There you have them. And we're waiting. Got the loft open. Direction should be right about where the sky is opening up ahead. Right in there. Been getting all my cleanup done. Forgive the mess back here. Just want to show y'all something. That's how the young bird loft is going, y'all. I'm working on it. Hard to do anything during the week. I come home so late and it's dark. But there's our 8x8 flying loft. I'll start throwing some plywood up on the front and on the sides. Go ahead and get it done enough to where I can throw the birds in here. Just saying that makes me want to get to work, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it going. I'll keep an eye on the sky and get you guys some videos of the birds coming home. All right, guys, welcome back. Nothing yet. Just gonna give y'all an update. Pardon me. Just gonna give you an update. We should have birds here any minute now, y'all. Damn, I thought that was them there. Some robins. The wind's starting to pick up now a little bit. Race is active. It is 12:10. We have no birds. 12:10. No birds. Around 10:30ish, 11. That fog started lifting and all. Beautiful open skies now. No breeze. However, it is starting to pick up a little bit. You can see the branches moving now from the breeze. I've been working on my young bird loft back there, trying to get that done. But been keeping an eye on the sky and haven't missed any, so we'll just keep watching. I'll get back at you guys. All right, guys, coming at you with one more update. I was hoping to have birds by now, but you know how pigeon racing is. The wind did turn up quite a bit, so they're having winds push them off course. It is now 1:28. And no birds, guys. No birds. What is going on? I think I'm giving these guys too much food or something. Getting fat and lazy on me. 250 miles, guys. I averaged, I always kind of do my calculations at 50 miles an hour. 50 miles an hour would have been, if they got released at 7:15, 12:15 would have been our 5-hour mark. So I was expecting them between 12:15 and 1 o'clock. That would have been nice. But then you calculate the winds and stuff in there, and I guess we're still on track. A little later than I wanted, but we're still waiting. I'll let you know as soon as we get some birds. Time once again is about to be 1:30. That'd put them at 6 hours and 15 minutes. 6 hours and 15 minutes. The temperature's also gone up, so I can imagine that's not going to be easier for them. It's about 80 degrees now. About 80 degrees now. But alright, we'll keep y'all updated. And of course I missed them. Just had 3 come in, y'all. You see that flag waving over there? The wind's picked up real bad. It's coming out of the east. A little bit aggravated with these birds. These birds came out of there. That's north something. Northwest. Yeah, northwest. We got 3 birds out of the northwest. Look at that time, 2:17. So 7 hours and 2 minutes to fly 250 miles. Wow. If that doesn't say pathetic, I don't know what does. Pardon the frustration. Just as the race secretary, I try, you know, my dangest to make sure that everything gets done right. And it just seems like even when I get it all perfect, or I think it is, it's just always something. Last week the birds came in super late, and when we did the results, there was something about some alien bands or something I had never heard of. I had to contact the AU. Still having trouble bringing up those results. And then you know, today everything seemed good. The weather seemed good at the release point. Everything, once again, birds are late. I don't know why. They're not sick. They fly 3-something hours plus around the loft in the mornings. I don't know. Just pigeon racing. Y'all know how it is. Ups and downs, ups and downs. I've been trying to work on that young bird loft, and it seems like I can't get nothing done because I'm waiting on birds and waiting to see what direction they come from and all. And like I said, these birds just surprised me. Then I got sunglasses on because I'm tired of looking up. You can see, I'm tired of looking up. My eyes hurt, and then my head starts hurting, and so I put glasses on. So now when I grab my phone to open the video, it doesn't recognize my face, so I have to sit there and type in. So in the time that I type in the password, the birds are in. Been waiting since 9-something this morning, been out here, and they finally come in, and I miss them. So I apologize for that, and I apologize for the frustration. Like I said, I try to hold myself at a higher expectations, I guess, than your regular Joe would. But so I'm a little tougher on myself than anybody else would be. But I wish these birds were doing a little bit better, and I would have gotten you all the footage of them coming in. So we'll keep an eye out and see. We should be getting more birds here shortly. That's our 4th bird in, y'all. Check it out. See who that was. I can see that wind's picked up quite a bit. Some big pines around. Yeah, I think we're gonna have us some losses today, y'all. We sent 20 birds. 7 hours, almost 8 hours later, we only got 4. It's 82 degrees in the loft. Out here is probably around 85. Getting hot. All right, guys. Don't even know where she came. All right, guys. Got some more birds back. I don't even know at this point. Don't really care which way they're coming from. It's so damn late. Still working on the young bird loft. And they're sneaking in as I work. Sent 20 birds. Let's see what we got. Well, we have half of our flock back. Excuse me. The other half must be out there somewhere. Still living it up. Let's see. And that's how they're looking, y'all. Some of these, like that one was the one that just came in. That one's 4044. That's the one that just came in right there. That bird look beat up at all? Tired? Nope. None of the above. Just decided to fly. This was our number 1 last week. There she is. Hey girl. 1321. Yeah, she's hungry. We're gonna give her some food. What, you want some food? Let's give you something. I know you like your corn, huh? I know you like your corn. My pretty girl. Good job today.